Hey everybody, welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. Getting ready to go down to the auction. If you can see here, I got something ready for it. Yeah, I picked up a fifth wheel camper because apparently I'm a glutton for punishment. Also, my last camper got totaled out. I got an insurance claim on that one, so I got a little bit of money to spend. So I got something at the auction to save a little bit of money. So I'll see you there. Here is the new project. 2013 open range light. It's got one tire that's 10 years old, otherwise in pretty good condition. So let's see if I can get this thing home and cleaned up on the inside and figure out what else I need to replace on it. Hey everybody, I'm on the roof. Because I'm on the roof, because I needed to put a little extra tape on the skylights that were shattered by hail. They look like that. They've had a little bit of water problems, not much. These are, I think, 22 by 14 skylights, and I need 3 of them, both outside and inside. Got my skylight inner covers in today, or yesterday, whenever it was. So I got the first one put up here, pretty easy. Maybe take this one back down and try to flatten the roof a little bit right there. Not a big deal, but all you have to do on these ones, they do not come pre-drilled, so just get a little pilot bit, drill a tiny hole, a little bit smaller than the screw hole, and yeah, just kind of push it in place. Really easy. Yeah, so inner skylight, 1 of 3 is done. I'm gonna take off these skylight covers. First thing I need to do here is get this old duct tape off, which is gonna make a huge mess. So I can get to these screws, take those screws out. So I got all this black duct tape removed. I've already put the inner skylight in, so you can see kind of what that looks like from the top and how much clearance you got. Anyways, so now I gotta take off all of these screw heads so I can get the screw removed so I can get this whole top part of it off. I got all these scraped off with a screwdriver, so now I'm gonna take this square head bit and get all of these screws removed. I got all the screws out, so there's a little play to it now. It goes up and down a little bit. So I can get up underneath here and I can separate this from the roof. Got a plastic tool here so I don't cut the membrane of the roof. I'm just going to pry this whole thing up slowly so I can get this skylight off the roof. I got all of that kind of loosened up here, so slowly raise that up, get this thing off the roof. I need to clean all this excess lap sealant butyl rubber off. Got most of this stuff cleaned off on the outside. Got the new butyl tape applied to the inside of that. I'm going to take off this inside cover, set it in place, stick it down, and put on new screws. I got it applied here. I'm working my way from one side all the way up so it follows the curve onto skylight number 2. Just got the duct tape pulled off of this one. The old hail damage just beat it up. I don't have the inside skylight on this. It'll make it a little bit easier so I don't have to worry about stuff falling on it. So again, gonna dig up all these screw holes and take it out. I'm finally making a little bit of progress here where I can use the sealant, this Dicor lap sealant. Edges over here all along the outside, and try not to get any in the middle, and then do the same thing on that one. Didn't quite have enough time today to do the third, so I'll get to that tomorrow. And once I get this one done, then I can put that max air cover back onto here. Got it all sealed up. Put a couple coats over there. There's soft leveling. Looks like that'll work pretty good. The second one here just got done, so it's still got to do a little bit more leveling. Otherwise, looks pretty good. And tomorrow, gonna work on that one. Got all 3 skylights in. They look much better. And now I just gotta go finish up the TV install.